Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is from a UK student. He asked me, it is a further maths question. Okay, question 9. I don't have information about the year of this question, but anyway, I hope I can solve this as a appropriate format. And for that, you are given a real number of the equation or roots of the equation. That means a is a real roots of this equation, and you may also given that a plus 2 plus 3i is one root of the following equation. Determine the all values of z. That means solve this equation. The first step, we have to find the all values of a. For this equation, x cubed plus x to the power 4 plus x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x equal to 0. Then factorize x outside, and we have x cubed plus x squared plus 3x minus 5. I observe that that if x is equal to 1, 1, 1, that add them together is 5. I guess that x minus 1 is a factor. Of course, I know that you have a formula, the calculator can support you do the calculation here. But anyway, I'm here. I try to show you the step. X squared 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 5x minus 5. Okay, then the quadratic factor should be this one. Then x equal to 0 or 1. Or you may use formula -2 plus or -4 2 squared minus 4 times 5, which is complex root. This complex root is -1 plus or -2i. Therefore, our a should be equal to 0 or 1. Then, for a equal to 0, the equation of this one can be becomes square z to the power 4 minus 2 times z to the power 3. That is minus 10 z squared. This part is plus 86 z, and the last part and should be negative minus 195 equal to 0. And for a equal to 1, I also write down the equation here. And if a equal to 1, this is z4 plus 4z cubed. This plus 11z squared. This part is plus 6z minus plus also plus 90. Okay. And I know that the roots of the degree 4 polynomial is a plus 2 plus 3i. In this case, one root should be z equal to 2 plus 3i. Okay, has that by the conjugate properties, the other roots should be 2 minus 3i. Okay, there is a factor. That is z minus z plus 2 plus 3i times z minus 2 minus 3i. And this factor is square, z square minus 4z. You may multiply. This part is sum of roots, and the last part is product roots. Product roots is square, 2 square plus 9. That is 13. Okay, now you may use long division. Or I think your calculator is support this function. You may use your calculator to do the calculation. Here I find that ez square minus 4ez square plus 13ez square. 2ez cubed minus 23ez square plus 86ez. The next term is plus 2ez. 2ez square cubed minus 8ez square plus 26ez. Okay, minus this one, this negative 15ez square. This part is negative 6. Let me see. I have positive 60 ez, negative 125, like 195. Then final, that is negative 15. Yeah. Therefore, we can see that this equal to 0 means can be factorized into two parts. One part is this one. The other part is this one. And either one is equal to 0, then ez squared minus 4ez plus 13, or ez squared plus 2ez minus 15 equals 0. The first one I have calculated the roots 2 plus or minus 3i. That the other roots should be 3 or negative 5. That is find the possible value of ez is this 4ez. Okay, not finished because we have another case. And for the ez, for the a equal to 1, then the roots here should be a plus, because a plus 2 plus 3i. In this case, the roots is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3i. That is 3 plus 3i. The other roots is 3 minus 3i. Then the factor is ez minus 3 plus 3i times ez minus 3 minus 3i. And do you only need to do some simple calculation. You get ez squared minus 6ez plus 18. Then do your long division again. This one times divide this one. And here you can calculate easily ez squared, that is z4 minus 6ez cubed plus 18 ez squared. And let me see, that is, that's 4. Oh, sorry, I make mistake here, because in this case the ez is this one, not that one. Sorry, I make a serious mistake. Because if you use a equal to 1, then the equation of the degree 4 polynomial should be this one. That is 2ez cubed minus 7z square plus 6z and plus 2z minus 12z square and plus 36z and 5z square minus 30z plus 90, and that's positive 5. Yes. Yes, done. Then it means this degree 4 polynomial equation can be factorized into two parts. One part is ez squared minus 6ez plus 18, and then times ez squared plus 2ez plus 5 equal to 0. Then for the first part, and the ez is 3 plus or minus 3i. For the second part, the ez is -1 plus or minus 2i. Okay, I think there is total 8 ez here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total in two set values of ez, and total 8 values of ez. Okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.